Y'all, this is like my go-to lip gloss combo. Like, this is what I do. What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be sharing my lip combos with y'all, like my lip glosses that I use slash my go-to lip combo, or whatever you want to call it, so that maybe y'all could try it out and see if you like it or not, see if it look good on you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh, and before we get into this video, y'all, all these lip glosses that I'm about to show y'all is very affordable. Like, I don't think none of them was like over $5. So if you're looking for some cheap lip gloss and you don't want to spend a lot of money, then these are some lip glosses for you. So let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so this is my first combo. This is like my everyday go-to lip gloss combo. So this is the LA Colors lip gloss, and I don't really know what color it is. I don't know. I really don't know what color it is because it don't say, but this is what it looked like. And I use like a dark brown eyeliner pencil. So this is combo number 1. Just line your lips the way you like to, whether it's thin or dark. I think that's good. So after I do that, I go in with the lip gloss. That is combo number 1, you guys. So hope y'all like it. Y'all can go try that out. Y'all, this is like my go-to lip gloss combo. Like, this is what I do. It's like my favorite one. Alright, so next, this is the next combo. And it's also LA Colors. That's what it look like. With this one, I add like clear lip gloss on top, and I leave it at that. Like, that's the combo for this one. But I don't have no clear lip gloss. I thought I did. I ain't got none. So I will use this in any kind of clear lip gloss, and that's the second combo. Because you use this basically for like the color, and you use the lip gloss to make it like pop a little bit because it's not really too glossy. So that's what the clear lip gloss is going to be for. So this is combo number 3. So we have some LA Colors lipstick, Starlit, I think that's the color, CML 470. So that's what it is. So I'm just going to take the brown pencil. gloss to it, you can. But if you want to keep it like that matte look, like a real lipstick look, then just leave it as it is. Yeah, this kind of look good. Okay. Yeah, I really like this. Like, I'm looking in the mirror right now, and it's like, I like this. It look different, like, on the mirror and in the camera, but I would definitely rock this more often. But I probably need to add some more black, and that's all. And y'all, one thing about this, it's hard to come off. That's the only thing I hate about it. So if you buy it, be prepared. Y'all, next we have the LA Colors Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss, and it's in the color Dream World. That's the name of it, Dream World. So it's like a summer vibe. If you're looking for like a pink looking lip gloss, then this is definitely the one, because it gives you that color and the gloss at the same time. So if y'all like pink lips with like a little gloss to it, then that's a good lip gloss to use. I'm gonna show y'all again what it look like. So y'all, last but not least, we have this combo right here. This came from Ulta Beauty, y'all. I don't really know what color it is. It don't have like a color on it. And this right here is LA Colors Shea Butter Lip Gloss. And it's in the color Sensual. So this is what it looked like. And I have my brown eyeliner pencil that I'm gonna line y'all, that pretty much wraps up this video. Hopefully y'all saw a combo that y'all want to try, so y'all can try it out and see how it looks on y'all. But y'all, my lips is so mother freaking numb. When I tell y'all my lips is numb from doing this, like, I can't feel my lips. But anyways, thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, and I will see y'all in the next one.